Hi, hope you're doing well. It's me again. It is a full moon tonight, and well, it's time for my appearance, since I make an appearance every full moon. But I guess that's better than making an appearance every blue moon, huh? We could go back to doing that though. Let me know if you have any preference there with the blue versus the full moon. Yeah. Okay, so in this video here, actually, I purchased some stuff online for the Friday that passed not too long ago. I did purchase a few things, and I thought I would do sort of a haul, I guess you could say, where we'll take a look at those things. I'll show them to you. You may consider getting some of them yourself, but they may no longer be on sale. Then again, the holidays aren't over yet, so they may possibly still be on sale. So, yeah. So I've got a box here with, you can't see it, but it's on my lap, with a bunch of stuff inside of it. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'll show you what it is that I picked up. Okay. So I picked up a few things, and well, some of it's really big. This is the biggest thing here, the first thing, which is this massive box. Massive box. You can probably tell what this is without me having to explain it, but it is an egg cooker, a deluxe egg cooker. One-touch egg cooking, and it can cook up to 12 eggs, a 12 egg capacity, and it cooks it using steam. So I saw this and it was $20 US. It was part of the deal that they had going on for the Friday, and I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and get that, because I thought it was really interesting that you can use basically steam to cook your eggs, and it's healthier than using, say, oil or something like that. You could just steam cook them, boil them, hard boil. Apparently you can scramble it as well and let steam cook it, which is really interesting. Yeah, a bunch of ways you can make eggs using this, so I decided to pick this up. And well, it's not actually for me. I got it for a family member, and let's see here if it says on the back or the side. Save time. Oh yeah, and it makes eggs really fast compared to probably how long it would take otherwise. It makes them perfectly too. So save time and make 12 perfectly cooked eggs in less time than boiling water. And there's also a measuring cup in here. It says it on this side, and also it says you can make omelets, poached and soft boiled eggs with the included accessories. It does have a few accessories that you can use to make eggs different ways. You can make them poached, like it does say here, or you can make it omelet style. Technically it's scrambled, right? If it's omelet style, I think so. That's what I meant when I said scrambled. And it looks like they have a recipe guide as well, according to the very bottom of the box here. So on the other side, what does it say here? It says unprocess your food. We believe taking small steps to live a healthier life can have a big impact, and that's the best path to wellness, to eat whole natural foods. Then it says we make products to make it easier for you to prepare and eat real food at home. And they say it's so that you can feel your best. In-store, in the kitchen, and online, we give you the tools and the support to make delicious, healthy meals. That's what living unprocessed is all about. And that's a nice motto, I'd say. Unprocess your food is also what it says over here. That's an interesting motto that they have there, and it's rather wholesome, huh? Yeah, I'd say it's a bit wholesome. Unprocess your food, making it more easy to make, accessible, I guess. Yeah. So interesting, huh? Yeah, and it's not big at all. It's like the box itself, if I put my hand on the side, yeah, it's not big at all. So maybe you'll consider getting one of these for yourself. Yeah. Very interesting. A deluxe egg cooker is what it's called, and it's by a company called Dash. So yeah, let me go ahead and put this down, and I'll show you the other things that I purchased. Alright, so next up in our box here, we have something else. We have a Blu-ray, and you might be able to tell what this is, and this is something that I got for someone else as well, a little kid that actually happens to be a fan of Harry Potter. Yeah, I got this on sale. It was, I believe, $24 US, roughly in that ballpark. Normally it's double to 3 times that from what I've seen. And yeah, this is all of the Harry Potter movies on a Blu-ray disc, or a few Blu-ray discs. The complete 8-film collection Blu-ray set. And I'm not sure if there are any special features. Oh, it does say on the back here there are some special features. It says hours of revealing extra material, including additional scenes, interviews with J.K. Rowling and the filmmakers, and you can tour the secrets of the school, and also some movie making magic uncovered in Warner Brothers Maximum Movie Mode. I'm not sure what that is, Maximum Movie Mode, but it does have quite a few extra things packed in there along with the movies themselves. So it might be a bit reflective, so I'll have something show up on the screen because the light might be too bright and I don't want it to be that way. So yeah, I bought this as a gift for someone small, tiny. So yeah, if that's still on sale and you know someone, maybe you have a kid, or you know a kid that likes Harry Potter, or maybe a friend, or yourself, maybe you like Harry Potter, you're fully grown, you like Harry, hey, that's cool, nothing wrong with that. You can go ahead and pick that on up if you've never purchased any of the movies before, and you'll get it at a great discount if it's still on sale. Hopefully it still is. So along with that, I also bought one other thing, or should I say a few other things. I bought 3 of these, and these are vitamins. Yes, old man here, or old woman, I guess. Oh, some of you may get that joke there because of the long hair, and apparently only women have long hair according to the comment section sometimes. But yeah, I bought a 1 daily multivitamin from this company called Naturella. It was on sale, and I just had to pick up as many as I could since it was on sale. I had tried it once before, and I decided to stick with them. And I bought 3 bottles actually. I got this for, I believe it was about $26 US. Normally it's around 35. So I saved a bit there by picking up 3 in one go, and well, Naturello, they're into like natural stuff, like they do extracts of things for their vitamins rather than making it synthetically. Yeah, like on the back here, for instance, vitamin A as natural beta carotene, vitamin C is natural from organic cherries, vitamin D3 as natural from wild harvested lichen mushrooms, and so forth. Yeah, they're into natural things. So maybe you're into stuff like that. This might be worth checking out if you've never heard of it before. I've tried a few different vitamins over the years, and I prefer this one. I like this one. I've only used it once before though. Like I bought a bottle. A big bottle there is the 60-day, the 2-month supply I believe, and then the 4-month. The one that I originally tried is a 4-month supply. So yeah, I got 3 4-month supplies here, so I'm set for a year now on these vitamins with how many I picked up. So yeah, I have 3 of these, and I guess it'll last me until next year when maybe I'll end up purchasing it again. We'll see how that ends up turning out. Alright, well, I believe that is the last of my purchases. Like I mentioned, I had 3 of those, and that right there is my Amazon haul. All of the things that I picked up that were on sale. So yeah, that is going to be it for this one. Appreciate it so much if you could do the thing, and well, I'll see you next time, whenever that may be. Until then.